to Marina's Kitchen. Today I've got a special guest here. This is my great-granddaughter Isabella, and she has been doing 4 videos with me ever since she was 8. Remember, Isabella, you were that high and you were just above the bench here, and you were 8. And when your next one? What did we do the next one?
Sponge kisses when I was 11, I think.
And the other one?
The zucchini ricotta cannelloni.
And you were 14?
Yeah, and then we made macaroni
Yeah.
when I was 16, and now this.
And now you're making this one with me. So, excuse me, you've been busy cutting my Kalamata olives.
Yep.
You can cut those up in halves. And now, this is a quick bread. There's no yeast, it's just a quick bread to make. And we're just going to have a cup of self-raising flour. We've got a cup of grated cheese and 4 eggs we're going to, okay, and a cup of Kalamata olives. That's it, okay, well we've done that. Thank you. Now, I just want you to whisk these 4 eggs for me, and you're going to add that butter. There's 80 grams of melted butter in there, and I'm going to put my cup of grated cheese in my self-raising flour. Very quick, this is such a quick quick bread, I've called it. And now I'm going to put some pepper. It needs a good bit of pepper in it to give it a bit of, no salt because we got the olives that got that salt in it. This needs a good bit of pepper to it. Okay, now add the melted butter to it, darling. That's good. Okay. Now what we have, I've lined a loaf pan here. It's 20 centimetres by 10. You can make it in a smaller one if you want to. It doesn't rise very much. It's very, just a quick bread. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, okay, that's right there. Okay, we'll add that to it. Okay, and you can stir that around. Good girl. And this is her fifth one video she's been doing with her great-grandmother. This is my eldest great-granddaughter, and she'll be 18, when a couple of months?
May, yeah.
In May, she'll be 18 in May. She started university.
Yeah.
And where, the Bonds University?
Yeah, Bond at Gold Coast.
Okay.
Yeah.
You drive down there every day, do you?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah? Oh, it must be a lot of traffic that you've got to go through.
Yeah, it's like
Now we'll add the olives a bit at a time. Okay, keep on. And that I'm going to put my oven on. I've got my oven on to 400. It needs a good warm oven, hot oven. And look, it's very quick. This is a beautiful olive bread. Very quick, and just put everything together. That's okay. Oh, you're doing great there, darling. You're doing great. Okay.
Thanks.
Now we'll pour it in there. We'll pour it in the dish.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, wait a minute till I scrape all that.
Yeah.
Just put, I'll scrape it up with I'll just put it all together. It'll take about 35 to 40 minutes. See how quick that is? No yeast, no rising, just a cup of self-raising flour, 4 eggs, 80 grams of melted butter, and just spread that on that pan. See, it's only low, it won't rise very much. That's all it does. It's only a very simple quick bread. And that's our olive quick bread. That was quick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Very easy to make.
Mm-hmm.
You can make one when you're coming home for the weekend. You can take this one home for the weekend.
Okay.
Okay? And I've enjoyed having you here again, so we keep on making. We've got basic biscuit pastry. You did it when you were 8. And you had the sponge fingers when you were 11. Zucchini and ricotta cannelloni when you were 14. And macaroni. Oh, she was very good making my macaronis. Oh, that was very good. Very good at making. And now we've done the olive quick bread. Okay, darling?
Yeah.
Now we put that in the oven and spread it out. Just spread it out evenly. Put it in the oven. It doesn't rise very much. 30 to 40 minutes. We'll put it in the oven. And now what I'm going to show you, take that over here, Isabella. And you can cut, I'll take this, you can cut a couple of slices. And this is what it looks like. You can have it like that, you can have a bit of butter on it, or just have it like that. It is very, very nice. It doesn't come high, that's how high it comes. It's got all those beautiful olives through it, and that cheese, and look, honestly, it's must try it. It's very, very nice. And thank you, Isabella, for being with me again. I love you, darling. Okay. Thank you, sweetie. Where's mine? Oh, here it is. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.